Okay, so we're about to have a chocolate milk drinking contest. I don't know if this is gonna.
Wait, what about me? I'm not in this photo.
Wait. I don't know if this is even gonna get all of us.
Heard it's your birthday.
Heard.
Ooh. Get it? I got you a gift card.
Wait, are you even in this right now? Or serious?
Really?
Yeah, because it was your birthday and stuff.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Are we starting?
No one really got
Don't
anything.
cheat, you losers. Get out
Okay,
of my
ready?
way.
Set, go. There's a hair in mine! Oh god.
Oh!
Finish! Bitches!
like oh
What
There's
now?
like this little black hair in mine. Like,
What now?
I was like, where is this from? Is Jordan's nose hair?